I just wanted to make a quick video on installing this propane bottle bracket onto the front of a camper trailer and kind of how I did it. If you look on the channel, there is going to be some information on the reason we ended up buying this camper trailer, and we'll kind of do a full review on the camper trailer. But originally on these L brackets, the bolts would go through here on the side and then go through the propane bottle, and you had to remove the bolts every time you really wanted to fill it. So what I have done is just gone ahead and drilled a couple of holes straight down through the bottom. I used some touch-up primer and paint to go ahead and touch up the 1/4 holes that I drilled, and then also I made corresponding holes there on the propane bracket. And the way this sits on here, that bracket will sit like that, and you can see that our holes line up, and we'll bolt that down and see how this thing works. So to mount the bracket, I'm just using a 1/4 grade 8 bolt, a couple of flat washers, a lock washer, and the nut. And obviously some of the other hardware is not grade 8 as the bolt is. It's just what I had laying around, but I'm really not worried about this carrying any sort of a load. So just want to share what I'm using to attach everything. And there is the bracket with the hardware installed, and we'll see how the propane bottle fits. And that is the propane bottle mount and the bottle mounted into the mount, all put together. And it is actually a nice little bracket. I'll put a link to the bracket down in the description below. That helps you out. Now you see this, you will need to separate the clamp and this piece, and go ahead and just slide this down in and then screw that back into it, and then you can see how that just goes together to hold it. It is a very nice bracket. There it is, all mounted up, and I will put a link to the bracket down in the description below. I hope this little video helped you out, and as always, we'll see you outdoors.